Hello my friends, and welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm checking out these arm sleeves, compression arm sleeves. So this is like a 2-pack, and a lot of athletes wear these. These come in a couple different colors, nice elasticity here. Let's try these on. I've been having issues with my elbow lately, especially when I'm working out. Just feels like this area right here is on fire, so I've been trying to figure out what I can do to alleviate that. So this here, these compression arms bands, these sleeves, they help with circulation, and also just like kind of keeping your skin, or it helps with warmth and a bunch of different things. So this one has a nice little elbow place there for your elbow to go, and then also on the top here it has a where your arm bends. It seems to be a little area there as well, that little circular area, so you can kind of like target where you want it to go. So ideally I want this little circle here to be in the front, and then the elbow to have that elbow design there, I think. Oh, just punched myself in the face. Anyways, yeah, so these help with compression sleeves. A lot of athletes wear them for protection, for support, for blood flow, circulation. It's supposed to improve all that things and add support too. Just some pressure for areas that might need a little bit of extra support there. So these are comfortable. They don't feel like super hot or anything, but I've been wearing some of these like lately just for my arm. One thing I'm noticing right now is I've worn sleeves before, which when you bend your arm right here, it'll get irritated. It'll like chafe, and by the end of the day, if I take it off, it'll be it's not good. It's very annoying to the point where I stopped wearing it, because it would just, my skin would be irritated. So with these, I'm not feeling that. These feel like it bends nicely with my skin here and not like rubbing or chafing on that. So that is really nice. I've been looking for something that's going to give me some proper support here and hopefully help my elbow feel better. So honestly, just feeling, just with these compression ones that I've been had lately, my arm does feel a little bit better than when I don't wear anything and when I'm lifting, because yeah, it's just been really kind of annoying lately, and I'm hoping that these will help with that. Right now they're really comfortable, and they don't feel like if I am doing anything. These are nice and tight, but they don't feel like they're going to be slipping down. If I'm moving like this or anything like that, they're not like slipping down my arm or anything like that. So that's really cool. They have a kind of a neat design here as well. I think they look kind of neat. So anyways, my friends, thanks for watching this video. I hope it's helpful. You guys have a great day, and I will see you all